Alright, this video comes from Section 5, Topic 1, and we're going to be talking about quadratics in the real world. Aaron shot a water bottle rocket from the ground. A graph of height over time is shown below. Alright, so we have the x-axis, gives us our time, it's in seconds, and this is our domain of the data. Alright, then we have our y-axis. It gives us our height, and we know that that is our range. All right. The other thing that we know about quadratics is they make a parabola, which is this shape right here. All right, we know that the maximum or the minimum is also referred to as the vertex. All right, and in later sections we'll talk about putting our information into vertex form, so that's going to be very key. Vertex is made up of h and k, which are just x and y coordinates. All right, so what type of function best models the rocket? Well, this is a quadratic. All right, and a quadratic has periods of time. It starts off going in one direction, so it's increasing, then it hits that vertex, and then it changes direction and goes in the opposite direction. So that is how you would model a quadratic. All right, so if we were talking about the domain, all right, from what values is the domain increasing? We would say between domain of 0 to approximately 2.5 seconds, it was increasing. All right, so if I wanted to write that using proper notation, I would say x such that x is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to 2.5 seconds. All right, so that would be my notation for that. And then if it was asking when it was decreasing, well, from 2.5 seconds down to when it hit the ground at 5 seconds, that would be modeled like this. All right, so when x is greater than or equal to 2.5 seconds, all right, and then when it goes to 5 seconds. All right. After how many seconds did the rocket hit the ground? Well, we see that it returned back to the ground, the point 0 at 5 seconds. All right, estimate the maximum height of the rocket. All right, well, that looks like it's a little bit higher than 6, not quite 6.5. So I'm going to say that that is 6.25, and that height is in meters. All right, the maximum or minimum point is called the vertex. All right, so that is some of the key features that you're going to have to be able to list off whenever you're looking at a parabola. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and make sure that you leave your name in the comments so I know to give you credit for watching the video.